Hello and welcome. Are you beauty conscious? If you are, then you should definitely watch this video. In this video, we're going to show you some hairstyles that you can do at your home. So let us start with a new style of braiding the hair, and this is the normal one, and at the right side and at the left side we have small braided set of hairs. Then three of these groups of hair are now joined together at the center, and we can add some tying strings or thread to add beauty. Here, as you can see, we take some group of hairs from the right side to the braiding hair group. Then we take some more hair, then it forms like a window. Okay, so we have two braided groups or set of hair here. This is a new style. Then here we start from a ponytail, not a complete ponytail, but a half ponytail. Then we can use a stick or a pencil to make this shape. Then we braid the hair and then we take it upwards, and at the bottom side we can have three small ponytails. Here also you can see a new style. Here the main shape of the hair is like a Y, an English letter Y. We form the groups of hair. Then we can use comb or a small tying knot to have a flower there. Okay, so you should definitely try these hairstyles at your home. You can make these hairstyles on your own, or you can do it to your friends or your mother or anybody you like. So this is simple tricks. Then now we can go to a new item. Here you can see a top bun on the hair. Now as you can see, we should twist the hair in group, then curl it, then insert that through the loop that has formed at the top portion, then braid again. Okay, so you can use some sort of flowers to insert at that pocket like point, and that adds the beauty of the hair. Now we can make three braided sets and we can join them together, and we have some more hair remaining, and they can be made like a ponytail. Then we insert it and we twist it. Now we can insert the first braided piece into that. Now we have two groups, and the first one is twisted and then tied. Okay, and the left side is also twisted, and then we can tie it. A small knot or a rubber band will do the job. Now we can roll it to the upside. Then we can have a small pin or some flowers. So all the hairstyles that are being shown in this video are made using hand, and we sometimes use a rubber band, also some sticks. Okay, hair sticks are also used, as you can see. Then comb, we have to use comb, and such simple tools are only used. We don't have to buy any kind of machines or any costly materials for making these styles. So this is very economic and very easy to do. In this style, we twist the hair, and at the bottom we braid the hair. Okay, and then we roll it upwards and we place a flower. Here also we twist the hair. There is a small loop there, and then we comb it. Then we roll the hair. We have a small loop there, and through that loop we twist it twice. Then we take it upwards and pin it to the top. Now here is a small group, then we braid that, and we have to braid it in different groups. So we have one group at the right side and one at the left side, and at the central portion we take a loop there and we roll the hair up and we insert a flower.